I really needed this.
Dude, we both really needed this. You're starting to smell like cheese.
I hope he uses that lavender scented soap.
Ooh, the one with the tiny therapy beads. I like that one.
I mean, I know it's bad for the environment, but it helps calm me down.
Calm you down from what? We just hang all day.
It's just been a stressful week, man. You know how it is.
No, but tell me, you know what happens when you bottle up your emotions.
Blue balls, I know.
So what's wrong?
No, it's just...
You're gonna tell me, just tell me.
It's
Come
the
on.
tighty
There
whities,
it is.
okay? And the hipster skinny jeans,
What
okay?
else?
Toilet water backsplash. That time with the zipper?
Yeah.
What happened to button flies?
What did happen to
Okay, and all that unprotected sex? We don't even know her.
Oh, her name was Sharon.
I think it's Karen.
I'm pretty sure it was Sharon. Anyway, we go through a lot.
We do, and I just want a little love, caring, gentle touching. Is that so much to ask?
No, I asked for a saxophone last year. I never got it.
That's not the same thing.